Welcome back to Anything That Moves. Let's get into it. I'm looking over here at NIO. NIO, oh my gosh. In this video, we're going to talk about Morgan Stanley. Obviously, they bought some more shares. We're going to talk about Morgan Stanley. I'm going to show you the technical analysis, okay? So you can see the support levels, where you should buy, okay? And is NIO really going up against Tesla? So is the new model that's out of NIO, can it go up against the Model Y? We're going to show a little bit of something here in this video and everything. Let's get into it. Alrighty, I wanted to show you right here that, okay, let's get this marker. All right, Morgan Stanley, 10 million shares right here, okay, during quarter one, Q1. Okay, so silently, nicely buying, accumulating their shares. Okay, so that brings their total stake to 28 million. That's good. I like that. Okay, then who else? Bank of America. So that's good. Let's just scroll down. I don't want to make the video too long. So we know that they were acquiring. Okay, you see this? Let's scoot down here, Bank of America. So now we see that Bank of America is going to be the second largest buyer of NIO in that quarter. Okay, we're just only talking about Q1, that quarter right there. So picking up to now 4.6 million shares. Alrighty, so that was good. Davison Kemper, okay, they're third. So they're initiating the position for 1 million. Okay, so that's good. So now it's catching on, it's making some traction and everything. Let's go on. I wanted to show you this website here that this shows the institutional holders, okay? So now before what I just showed you, that was just for the quarter. But overall, BlackRock. Boop, boop. Alrighty. BlackRock holding it down. Alrighty. Do they fail? No, not really. Okay. So we have BlackRock, Morgan Stanley, okay, State Street, Goldman Sachs. So these are the largest holders. HSBC, we see a lot. Okay, if you want to see the second page here, let's just turn for everybody who wants to see. Now here is where you see the Bank of America right here, bringing up their shares and stuff. UBS here, okay, and on and on. So we have some positions here. Okay, so let's just move on, because I don't want to make this video too long. So why do we think, what's going on? Okay, so is it that this NIO's Onvo, right, the L60, is it really going to go up against Tesla? Maybe it is. Maybe we're really facing off now. Okay, maybe we're having a face off, because we're saying right here that we have the vehicles are priced competitively. Okay. So there is really something going on here now. Okay. China is the second largest market for Tesla after the United States. All right. But there's more and more orders now for NIO. Here we go with this Onvo. I heard whispers that, the demand for the Onvo is really going to be there. It's happening. We'll see, because, okay, the brand's first car, right? This SUV. The starting price, okay, well, hold on. Let's not look at, for the United States, right? 30,000. Okay, so that's about 12% lower than Tesla's Model Y competition. Okay, all righty. So we'll see. This is happening. This is becoming a thing. Let's keep moving on. Okay, so NIO said what? That they plan to launch one Onvo brand model per year. Things are going to heat up quick. So is this why, with all this talk, is this why Morgan Stanley said, hey guys, we're in. Bank of America, we're in, because they know things are heating up. It doesn't take long sometimes. Okay. So one model coming out a year and everything. This is what the L60 looks like. Okay. In case you didn't know, this is some photos of that. So now let's just get into some technical analysis here. Just give me a minute to pull. All righty. I just wanted to show you some technical analysis. So this is where we're at now. All right. $5.28. Okay. Right now I'm recording on a Sunday. The market's not open. So now let me see. Do you see how the price touched here and bounced off? We went back to this area, bounced off. Okay. Price reacted to this level where we're at before. Here. So around here, here. Okay, here we had a little bit of an issue here too, and we're here now. So this is kind of an area of interest, okay? Will we really bounce off here and go up? So right now, guys, ladies, look, okay, you see this green line? This is, okay, and I'm showing you this on the daily time frame. How do you know? Okay, left top. You see where I'm circling? That D is the daily time frame. That's an important time frame. Okay, this green line, that's the 20-day moving average. The purple line, 50-day. This like gold, orange, yellow, this is the 200-day. So right now we're above two important levels. Okay, we're touching here. So will we bounce off and continue to go up? That's something to think about. Okay, that is something to think about. So, or will we do something else? So I want to show you with, just give me a second. Let me get the marker, the little trend line here. Alrighty. So this is the line that I'm saying right here. Okay. Because before, we reacted and we bounced off. Okay. We dipped below. Yeah, I know. But we reacted again to this area and bounced off. Okay. So will we do that again? Now, so that's where I'm saying we may have some support here. If we don't, I'm going to show you where it could be lower in this chart too. But now also, look at this. You see this area here? We hit this number and we came down. We hit it again. We came down and we hit this moving average, right? And then here a little lower, we reacted. We came down. We reacted. $6. $6. And then over here, this is probably like $6 and hold on, let me just hold on. Here we go. I was trying to get, okay. So this is probably like split the difference, right? $6.25. So my point is that we have a little issue at this area and you need to be aware of that. So if you're swing trading it, like if you just want to sell some, well, where are the parts that you need to be paying attention to? Okay. $6. You see, we hit here, we bounced down, we hit here. So there's some resistance here at $6.06 and a little bit at $6.25. So what's the way to play NIO? You probably have a long-term holding going on with this. But if you're doing it to short term, you could have two separate accounts. Okay. You could have an account where you buy and sell. Okay. For short time frames, like what I'm showing you here. And you can have another account where you do long term. Okay. So for long term investing, hey, maybe you want to pick up a little bit around here. And then also we'll talk about lower, but where should you sell in the short term? This $6, hey, maybe it will reject again. So, oh, maybe I want to sell a little bit here. And then, oh, what about this? And then maybe I should sell a little bit when it gets to this level, $6.25. And then when we react with this orange line here, so somewhere between $7 and $7.50. So probably $7.25 before we get here. Why do I say that? In the past, when we reacted, see where I'm at over here? When we reacted with that orange 200-day moving average, we came down. So that might happen again. Okay. So short term, swing trading, you may want to sell a little bit here. So some things to think about. And you don't have to touch your long-term NIO position. Okay. So something to know. So now that's that. But also want to show you some more. Okay. You're like, oh, this video is getting long, but hey, NIO fans, you need to know all this. Look at that. All right. Thank you for giving me a second. I just had to fix the chart. These charts are crazy. So what I wanted you to know, in case we react and we go down, why am I saying that? We did that before. We touched this level in the past. So I wanted you to see that. I'm going to move the chart again. Hold on. All right. In case we come and touch down here at this $2 level, somewhere between there, I want you to know, long-term account, definitely pick it up there. If you're going to pick it up, make sure you pick it up there, because people are surely, because look what happened in the past in this area, we surely ran up there. A blind person will pick it up on the spot right there. Okay, so I just wanted to I'm not saying we're going to touch there, but in case we do, I just have to make sure all your different things you could do here. So I wanted to make sure I showed you that, and then here. So look at this, guys. 32 analysts, 32. Okay, what are they saying right now? Okay, so this is the area to do your thing. If you're into NIO, this is your time to slowly wade into the water. Okay, I don't know if we will hit this area okay, and reject back down. We can't. We have, did this kind of behavior before. So I'm not saying go all in, but this is definitely an area. But I want you to make sure that you know that because of everything that's going on, people buying in. Look, and yes, 32 analysts did say, hey, they're stepping in. Look at this chart here, So they're saying that, okay, it could go 88%. 88%. Hold on, let me change my color in case you couldn't see it. No, I'm going to change it to red right now so you can just see it. Hold on. There we go. Okay, 88% chance, okay, percentage move to $9. I just want to make sure everybody's aware. I don't want to make the video too long, but God, hey, I like talking about this, clearly. Okay, so the technicals, why am I kind of neutral? Because, the technicals are kind of neutral, people. That's why I'm neutral. But the analyst is saying something different. They're saying that. You can't always believe what analysts say. I want to leave you with this. Dale Carnegie. I'm going to read this quote real quick. Any fool can criticize, complain, and condemn. Okay? And most fools do. But it takes character, self-control to be understanding and to forgive. That's Dale Carnegie. I hope you like your chart here. If you do, click like and subscribe. I'll see you next time with NIO, of course, too, because it's moving. Things are happening. Or anything that moves. Bye for now.